This is Canary Wharf, and we're about to go have a look around the light show around there. See what we got. Indeed they are. I don't know.
I'm assuming that we have to stand on that 12 line.
Probably. Apparently this is one of the not so good ones.
Really?
Apparently so. I'm not going to capture all of this probably, I don't know.
No hay ni labia ni nada ya.
Well, that wasn't the most exciting display, the previous one. Hope you're sticking with it. Yeah, it's just a nicely decorated trees here. Let's see what the next display is about. Yeah, it's a bit better view of decorated trees here with the lights. Almost feels like it's still Christmas. There's full moon up there. Look at that tall building up there. This is the next display here. There we are. A little bit better than the last one. Got a big HSBC building right there as well. Oh. Wasn't expecting that. Nice array of different colours there. Again, apologies about the glare. Can't help it at the moment. Wonder where they're off to then. Canary Wharf light show, winter light show. Oh, this is only the start. Check the full video down below at the bottom of the screen for more, to see the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Got a reflection there. And there's some geese to finish evening off. Sorry if it wasn't much of a show. I was thinking it was going to be a bit more than that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.